Alright guys, here we go. Ultra fast version of installing a solid state hard drive onto my 2010 MacBook Pro. Here's the 500 gig solid state drive out of the box, Samsung Evo. Now I just happen to have this Seagate Backup Plus drive that with a SATA connector. I just pulled it right off here, and I'm going to connect this to that. Truly amazing how it connects. Now if you don't happen to have one of these, you can just purchase it like an adapter for about $20 to $30. So I've connected the solid state drive to my USB, and I opened up disk utility, and I created one partition, selected the GUID. Then I'm currently using Carbon Copy Cloner to copy over my information from my Mac hard drive to the solid state drive. Well, I went to sleep and I woke up, and 8 hours later we have completed backup. Okay, everything seems to be working properly, so it's time to put this in here. We're going to take these screws off, and there are 10 of them, and here you go. Finished taking off all the screws, and here we are. We're going to get into it. Here is the old hard drive, and I'm going to replace it with this right here. There's two screws that we need to unscrew right here and here. And then we're going to take this out. Go back here, lift this tab, and it is out now. See this? We're going to want to pull this out, and we're also going to want to take these 4 screws. You're going to need your Torx T6 head, and you just put it right on and begin to take these out. Now I've transferred everything over to the Samsung drive. I've even reattached this, and now we're about to just place this bar back on, screw it on, and turn the computer on. There we have it. I put all the components in, and I put the cover back on, and I put my screwdriver away. Now we're about to turn on the MacBook Pro and see how everything works. There we go. Appears to be way faster than before. Samsung 850. And trim support, no, so I need to fix that now. Everything was working properly. I went online and downloaded an app called Trim Enabler, and you simply click it on and then reboot your computer, and basically this just helps optimize your SSD. And there you have it. First time installation of a solid state drive. Alright, see you guys.